the question was about the offset. So when you showed the event handler, the question was about when there is a failure on the event handler, how is the offset how you can manage to save the offset, how this is saved before there is a failure in the event handler.
Yeah, that's a really good question. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
So when you recover it, it starts from where it was where the failure happened.
Right. So really good question, and the answer is there's a number of different approaches where the offset is stored, and it's very much like how Kafka works. For example, Kafka is very read by offset. Also, consumers. So with Kafka, if you use Kafka, you probably had to consider the offset as well. But in here, the offset is managed by Akka, but the question is the offset stored within the same transaction that the target data is being stored? So and that varies as well. If the target database is JDBC, then the offset is stored with the same transaction as the data being stored in the queryable view, the queryable tables. If you're doing something like Cassandra, then the offset is stored separately in a separate transaction. So the differences between exactly once processing of events versus at least once processing of events, which means that you have to know, is your projection at least once processing or exactly once processing? Exactly once is easy. At least once is that you're guaranteed to see every event, but you may see events more than once. So the operations performed by processing the events have to be idempotent, meaning that when you repeat that same event again within an event handler, the outcome needs to be the same. You have to consider that. Welcome to the distributed world, though. This is the way things work in the distributed world.